Good morning, students. Today we are going to study here next one chapter in your textbook series, page number 81 in your second semester syllabus. This next chapter 16th one, quadrilaterals. Quadrilaterals. What is mean by quadrilateral? See this picture of this quadrilateral. A quadrilateral is a closed figure. Quadrilateral is a closed plane figure formed by these four line segments. Quadrilateral is a closed figure and it is formed by these four line segments. And the four line segments that form a quadrilateral are called at its sides. These line segments are called as its sides. In the figure, see this segment, which segment here? AB, segment BC, segment CD and segment AD. These are the sides of this quadrilateral. AB means quadrilateral is a closed figure and it joining by these four line segments AB, BC, CD and DA and to form a quadrilateral. And these line segments are called as these sides, means sides of this quadrilateral ABCD. Quadrilateral of ABCD is equal to sides. Which sides here? Segment AB, segment BC means side you write here. Then segment DC and segment AD. All these are the sides of this quadrilateral. The points A, B, C, D are called the vertices of this quadrilateral ABCD. Considering this line AB joining the points A and B, and other 2 points must lie on the same side of this line AB. Considering this line AB, joining these points A and B, other 2 points must lie on the same side of this line AB. Here, then reading and writing of this quadrilateral. A quadrilateral can be formed by starting at any one point and going serially here either clockwise or anti-clockwise around the figure. A quadrilateral can be formed by starting at any one point and you write this clockwise, otherwise anti-clockwise. See this reading of this quadrilateral. You start from this one point C, CDAB. Then quadrilateral starts from this D point, DABC. Then again quadrilateral ABCD. Again quadrilateral BCDA. These four types of this quadrilateral reading. When writing a sign like this, quadrilateral is put in place of this word quadrilateral. Then you read this quadrilateral clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. Then adjacent side of this quadrilateral. The sides, see here, the sides AB and AD of quadrilateral ABCD have a common vertex. Which common vertex here? A. Therefore, so sides AB and AD are the adjacent sides. Adjacent sides means the sides of a quadrilateral which have a common vertex. The sides of a quadrilateral which have a common vertex and are called the adjacent sides of this quadrilateral. See here side, which side here? AB and AD. Side AB and AD have a common vertex. Which common vertex inside AB and AD? This common vertex A, point A. Therefore side AB and AD are the adjacent side of this quadrilateral. Then next one point is in this quadrilateral, opposite sides of quadrilateral. The pairs of opposite sides of this quadrilateral A, B, C, D are which? Side AB and side BC. Side AB and side BC. Opposite sides. Then again opposite sides, this side AD and side BC. Side AD and side BC. These two pairs of these opposite sides of this quadrilateral ABCD. See here, sides of quadrilateral which do not have a common vertex. In this side AB and DC common vertex here? No. Means the sides which have no common vertex are called as opposite sides of a quadrilateral. And in this side AD and BC, see here side AD and BC, which two sides here also common vertex? No. Then sides of quadrilateral which do not have a common vertex are called as opposite sides of a quadrilateral. Means here. Then next one point is adjacent angles of a quadrilateral. Then this part tomorrow we will study. Okay.